Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. Today, once again, I am with you with your social science subject for class 9th. You are welcome in this class. You know that presently we are reading the geography part of this subject. Our chapter is fourth chapter of this book. This is Calumet. The name of your geography book is India Contemporary. I have tried to put my today's question in such a form that you can understand it easily. And now you know that, you see that I'm trying to put my questions in a short form, in a precise form, in a to the point form so as to make them worth understanding for you. And I am trying to make my lectures, put my lectures in the form of question answer usually, so as to make my information to the point and precise. This will also help you by the examination point of view. And these questions are rather from your textual questions as per your syllabus. And also I am trying to highlight other things as well when I found them necessary for you, that you also see. Today's lecture is so based on the question answer form. You can see, you can read this clearly on the screen and you can note it down on your notebook. This is question number 4. Give reasons as to why. We have to give reasons for the following statements for the questions. We have to answer them. Number 1, seasonal reversal of wind direction takes place over the Indian subcontinent. 2, the bulk of rainfall in India is concentrated over a few months. 3rd, the Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall. 4th, the delta region of the eastern coast is frequently struck by cyclones. 5th part, parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and the leeward side of the Western Ghats are drought prone. So, we'll try to answer these questions. Seasonal reversal of wind direction takes place over the Indian subcontinent. Why? Seasonal change in wind direction is due to pressure difference. Seasonal change in wind direction due to pressure difference. Simple. Or is due to pressure difference. Simple. Second reason for it is El Nino plays a major role. El Nino plays a major role. What's El Nino? What is cyclone? What is pressure? And all other things. I have already told you that you are supposed to know these things beforehand. I'm not going to discuss these things here. Maybe in my next lectures, I'll tell you about these things, but here I will not go in their details. And then there is second part. The bulk of rainfall in India is concentrated over a few months. Why it is so? So, second part you can see on the screen. Rainfall is dependent on the southwest monsoon winds. It rapidly progresses and covers large swaths of the country by July. So, this is the reason why the bulk of rainfall in India is concentrated over a few months. Why it is concentrated over a few months? For that, our reason is that rainfall is dependent on southwest monsoon winds. When these events come, it rapidly progresses and covers large swaths of country by July. So then there is third part. The Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall. Its answer is, it is because of northeast monsoon winds. Simple. It is because of northeast monsoon winds. This fourth part. The delta region of the eastern coast is frequently struck by cyclones. Why it is so? Why it is so? So the answer of fourth part is, the Bay of Bengal faces frequent pressure changes. So this happens. Then I have the fifth part. Parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and the leeward side of the Western Ghats are drought prone. Why? Because they fall in the rain shadow region of Aravalli mountains. So these are drought prone. This was the simple way to answer these questions shortly. Briefly, I hope this is sufficient for today. We will be meeting again with more questions and answers, with more topics, chapters and lectures. This time I will be leaving you. Till then, bye. Take care of your health. Be in touch with your books. Take care of your time. Have a nice time ahead. Stay home. Honor code SOPs. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you.